Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with Immigration Attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this set of videos we're talking about what types of applications you need in order to come back to the United States, or if you basically are in the United States with a removal order or deportation order, what you can do. And I'd like to talk in this video about procedurally what is needed in order to file a permission to reapply. Now, a permission to reapply, procedurally we've done some prior videos on what can be done, but a person who is seeking residence through adjustment of status with this prior order must file the application with the USCIS, which has jurisdiction over the place where the applicant resides. And if you're applying for adjustment before the immigration judge, then of course the I-212 or permission to reapply can actually be submitted in front of the immigration judge. Now, a person that is applying for residence at the U.S. consulate must file the application with the USCIS office having jurisdiction over the place where the deportation or removal proceedings were held. Okay, an exception to this requirement is if you're going to be filing a permission to re-enter and an I-601 waiver of inadmissibility at the same time, then the I-212 or the permission to re-enter must be filed at the U.S. consulate having jurisdiction over the place of residence where the applicant would reside. And what you want to make sure to include with it would be the immigrant visa approval notice, proof of USC or lawful permanent resident family members, copy of the final deportation order, proof of current and prior employment, proof of filing federal and state taxes, medical records including any health-related problems, results of the FBI fingerprints showing any criminal record, and affidavits from the applicant, the family members, or any other persons who can vouch for your good moral character and the hardship that would be suffered, and any other evidence showing positive equities in the case. And all of this taken together will hopefully get an approved I-212 permission to reapply.